Welcome, family. Hope y'all doing okay today. Thank you for joining us. I'm going to make a chili hot dog sauce today. Now, I've never used this recipe before, so it looks awfully good. This is by Seasoned Cook. It came off of her page. So, we're going to get started. I've got a large onion, chopped. It's going to take 2 pounds of ground chuck. I'm just going to let that slide in there. Other one. And I'm going to mix this all in one pan. I'm not going to do it in a bowl. There. Now my hand's clean, so I grew up never using gloves to mix stuff with, and as an old woman, I don't use gloves to mix things with. So if you want to use a glove, that's good for you. This is just how I'm going to do it. It's going to take a 46-ounce can of tomato juice. That's a lot of tomato juice, isn't it? Sure is. Okay. Now, I have got a tablespoon of sugar. This is going to make a lot, so no one person is going to eat a whole tablespoon of sugar. Got a teaspoon of garlic powder, tablespoon of salt. And there again, it's going to all be evened out. Tablespoon of paprika. This is for flavor and color. Okay, we're going to get this mixed in, and then we're going to add some ketchup. So here I go. Oh, I forgot. Okay, thank you, hon. Got a 3-ounce jar of chili powder. This is what this calls for. So the whole thing is going in. I had it all sitting right here and looked right over it. What a dingbat I can be.
No.
Okay, I'm just going in, folks. And I know people sitting there saying, ew. Yeah, I know. But it's okay.
As long as you don't lick your fingers and then stick back, you're fine.
I know. And I will wash my hand before I touch anything else. After I get this all just conglomerated together here. That's a word.
Using them fancy words. I'm sure it is.
Boy, it's smelling good.
Smells good from over here.
Yes, it does.
Y'all smell that?
Because you're going to let this simmer for 30 minutes to an hour. It's going to simmer.
And once this starts simmering, I'm going to go get the grill fired up.
Yes, Eric's grilling hot dogs and bratwurst. And we're going to have this over 'em. Yum, yum. I've definitely had to show you doing a taste test, hon.
Okay.
Now we're going to add some ketchup. It didn't say exactly. Well, I hope I'm going to. I should have got the new bottle out. I'll have you do that, hon. Can you squeeze it? Okay, that's good. They didn't say how much to use.
Yeah, shake it again.
Okay. We weren't too prepared for this part. You might want to use a ketchup bottle. It's got a lot more in it. I wanted to finish this up before we opened another one.
I'm going to mix that in for now, and then
Yeah.
I can... Here, I got it.
Okay.
I just kind of hold it upside
I don't know
down.
about y'all, but I love chili dogs. And put some cheese on them. Oh my.
And you're going to have yours on the better with cheddar broth.
Yes, I'm having better than cheddar turkey brats. The turkey brat has a lot less fat, and I love how they taste. And it is Johnsonville better than cheddar. Think y'all having some Italian stuff, aren't you? Or regular bratwurst?
We got regular brats, and we got
Okay.
the better with cheddar with jalapenos in it.
I'm gonna put a little bit more in there, Yeah, I should have got out another bottle. That's okay. You all can just add however much you want to. I didn't add a lot, but that's okay. Next time I make it, maybe I'll add more. I don't know. Depends on how this tastes. I think this is gonna be really good.
It looks good.
Smells good. Okay, I've got that ready. I'm gonna put that on the stove, get it to boiling. Then I'm gonna turn it down and let it simmer. Now, I'm gonna have to double check about covering it, but I will let you know. And I'm gonna get over here and get this hand washed and then get this to the stove. Now, it did take an hour on this. You want it to really get thickened up good, so we're almost ready. Okay, I'm going to turn this burner on about 5. We have a gas stove. So I'm going to let this come to a boil. And then I'm going to turn it down to simmer. Do not cover it. Do not put a lid on. And I'm going to let that simmer for 30 minutes to an hour. And then we're going to be back with Eric taste testing the chili dogs.
Yeah.
Okay, here's the finished product. The chili cheese bratwurst. Okay, my sweet Eric's going to take a taste.
All right.
We decided for him to sit at the table because this could be messy.
Well worth any mess.
So it's that good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well I hope y'all can make you some and enjoy it. Thank you for joining us. Remember, it'll be okay and we love y'all.